mainly the reason was to lower down our electricity bills. So initially the electricity bills which we had was around 9,000 to 8,000 in between that. So we thought of exploring the options for having or installing solar systems on our building. I came to know about Frevolt on Google, and then I thought of contacting them. I initially was in touch with Sanket sir, and he explained me everything in a very good manner. So I thought, having that option. Initially, when I got in touch with Sanket sir, so he saw the place, and initially he gave us all the information like, this is a very good place for having solar panels installed, and he gave a 3D design at the very beginning. He explained everything end to end, and we thought like, taking that option into a picture. So that was the main thing. When the team initially came, we thought like, they were, or it will be normal employees who generally work for the vendors. But when we initially came in contact with the team, they were very, technically sound, and they were very professional in nature. And they initially had a structural survey. So they explained everything, each and everything, like how the panels will be inclined, and what will be the pillars, and how exactly it will be looking. The overall time period required for the solar panel installation is roughly around 2.5 months. Initially, they give you the budget, and depending on your budget and your ambience, or your agreeable note, they go ahead and proactively, consult with you on a timely basis. When we installed our solar panel, rainy season was just about to start. Initially, we thought like, in the rainy season, it will not generate electricity, or it will not generate power. But we were on the wrong side. We came to know like, sunlight is not the only source for having the power generated. When the winter started, in the winters, the solar panel generated a maximum amount of power generation was done, and the electricity bill was generated was zero. Highly recommended to opt for solar systems on your building or on your place. That is because the main reason is to lower down the electricity bills. Secondly, it is environment friendly. So definitely, opt for Frevolt team, because they are very friendly in nature, and they care about the budget that you have, and they provide a budget friendly proposal. And secondly, they are very technically sound. So I'll highly recommend Frevolt team for having the solar panels installed on your places.